Square Mile Insurance, I think they'll be joining us a bit later. We've got WPC as well. We've got Mock, it's represented by Alfesh Chakan. Also we have a rep from PayTap, she's here as well. We've also got Lee from Widow Accountant. Yeah, and we've also got Akash from DD Point. I think we've got everyone covered there. Welcome everybody to this year's event.
BCA for inviting us to come down. Us as DD Points, we're very happy to support local independent businesses. That's the premise of our business.